Hello students. So as you know that we are going with the direct and indirect narration. Somehow harder one but important also. You will have to just learn about this way or that way, because this direct and indirect narration is a very important part of English language. And as I have told you that first of all you will have to go with the tenses if you really want to do this. And yes, in my previous lectures I had given you few of the rules regarding this. Then I have told you which tenses will change into what, some miscellaneous changes I have talked about. And apart from that, in my last lecture I have given you the present tense. Direct speech changes into indirect speech. Only the present tense I had given you. And in this session we'll talk about the past tense. Different kinds of tense, past tense will be discussed here, and the direct speech of past tense, how we'll convert them into indirect speech and in which tense it will be changed. So let's start the video. About the present tense we had already discussed in the last session. I have told you different kind of present tense. If direct speech will be there in those tenses, then how will you convert them into indirect speech? And today we'll pick past tense. And first of all, to start with, past indefinite. If you will go through the table, so past indefinite will change into past perfect. So what kind of a speech will be there in past indefinite? See here, through the example only I will tell you. He said, comma, inverted comma, begin. The horse died. Second tense, second form of the verb, past indefinite we are using. Last night. Inverted comma, close, and then full stop. So see here the reported speech is in past indefinite tense. When we will go with the indirect speech, we will have to convert this past indefinite into past perfect. So how will you change? How will you use the connectors? How will you remove the interrogative inverted commas? And how will you change the tense? See here. He said that the horse had died, past perfect. Last night also you may write, or the previous night also you may write, and then full stop. So like this only we'll have to change the past indefinite into past perfect. Giving you another example here. She said to me, comma, inverted comma, begin. I went to market. I have told you if said is there, then there will be no change, you can directly use that. But if said to is there, it will be changed into told. So how will you write? She told me that she had gone. Third form of the verb with had, to market. So like this it will be converted into past perfect. Likewise students, next we have past continuous. And past continuous, you know that it will be changed into past perfect continuous. So again I am giving you example here. For example, he said. You know that past continuous, which kind of sentences will be here? comma, inverted comma, begin. My brother was working in this firm, inverted comma, close. So we'll have to change past continuous into past perfect continuous. How will you change? See here. He said that his brother had been working in, this will change into that firm, and then full stop, like this only. Similarly, having the same kind of example again, like she said, comma, inverted comma, begin, I was cooking food, inverted comma, close. Now change it into past perfect continuous. She said that she had been cooking food. Easy. So these kind of sentences will be of past continuous. So students, next we have past perfect, and yes, that you know that if past perfect will be there in narration, in direct narration, so there will be no change in indirect narration. It's nothing like that, it will be same. There will be change of person, there will be change of connectives, but yes, there will be no change of tense, I mean to say. So how? I am giving you example here. He said, comma, inverted comma, begin, I had finished my work. Easy one. Now, how will you convert it into indirect speech? He said. For removing the inverted commas, using that, I will change into he. These changes will be there for sure, but yes, the tense will remain same. He had finished. My will convert into his work, and then full stop. Similarly, going with another example of past perfect, like if we have, she said to me, comma, inverted comma, begin, I had gone there. How will you convert it? If said to is there, so definitely we will use told. So, she told me that, by using that we are removing these. She, person changes, change of persons, had gone there. Simple. It is changed now into indirect speech. Now student, at last we have past perfect continuous. So if we will go for the tenses only, again there will be no change in the tense when we are following such kinds of direct speech. How? For example, to starting with, Anil said. I had been working here since 2010. So this direct speech is in past perfect continuous. So there will be no change in tense. But yes, like past perfect, we will do other changes. How will you convert it? Anil said that he had been working. Here will change into there since 2010. So these actually examples I am giving you just for reminding you that which tenses you will have to change and how. This we had done earlier. So those who are actually aware with the tenses, that's not a big deal for them. But yes, those who are just didn't see that time, so definitely they will be in fix while doing the narration. Now student, another example of past perfect continuous will be here, like she said to me, comma, inverted comma, begin, it had been raining for last 2 days, inverted comma, close. So how will you change? She told me that. So further it will be no change, tense will not be changed. It had been raining for last 2 days, and then full stop. So like this the perfect tenses will be changed in narration. This was all about the direct speeches of past tenses. And yes, there will be difference actually between the classroom teaching and this online teaching. So I'm able to give 2-3 examples only because we'll have to limit the time somehow. And yes, but still if there will be any issue regarding this direct and indirect, so you should get ready for putting your queries forward in live lecture. So whenever it will be, you will be informed about that. So here I'm ending the session. Thank you.